Sanbonani, beautiful people. Welcome back to Zulumama. Today, we are diving into one of the most fascinating and fun Zulu traditions, Ukweshela. This is the traditional way young men used to express their love and intentions. It's romantic, bold, and filled with poetry. Now, let's explore how it worked. Ukweshela is a Zulu tradition of courtship. Instead of texting or sliding into DMs like today, young men would stand proudly and declare their feelings. They used respectful language, poetry, and even cattle to show their seriousness. Sometimes it happened in front of the girl's family. Now imagine the pressure. The young man would shella by speaking directly to the woman, often using proverbs or clever words. For example, he would say, "Izintombi, nongena basket uyangena emarket, uyangifaka noma uyangikhipha," which would be a trick question because if you say yamfaka, it will mean, okay, you accepting him into your heart. And if you say uyangikhipha, it would mean you taking him out of his misery and accepting him as a partner. This process was full of twists and turns because if a woman was interested, she might respond shyly or just keep quiet. Silence was not always rejection, it was part of the process. So the young man needed to be skilled enough to understand the woman's language too. Ukweshela wasn't just flirting, it carried meaning. It showed courage, respect, and readiness for marriage. Families valued a man who could speak well and show respect. It also reflected the importance of language, poetry, and the spoken word in Zulu culture. While modern dating apps and casual approaches have changed things, many young Zulu men and women still see Ukweshela as cultural pride. It's often done playfully at ceremonies like weddings or traditional gatherings, keeping the tradition alive. For some, it's a way of blending old and new. A guy might WhatsApp or DM first, but still drop a poetic line in isiZulu to show his roots. Ukweshela also preserves the richness of isiZulu language and metaphors, keeping culture alive in modern love. So in short, Ukweshela today is less about strict traditions and more about identity, respect, and cultural pride, proving that love, when expressed with dignity and poetry, never goes out of style. So, next time you think of romance, remember that in Zulu culture, love was declared openly and boldly. What do you think about Ukweshela? Would you be brave enough to try it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like this video and subscribe for more Zulu culture stories. Ngiyabonga. Nisale kahle.